When it comes to selecting a project management tool, it can be really overwhelming. Each platform has its own set of quicks and quirks, and sometimes you just don't know which one to choose. They all promise an increase in productivity, but which ones are actually going to move the needle? The right choice does depend on how big your team is, how complex your projects are, and what you're really going to be using it for. The options that we're going to be discussing today is going to be Asana, ClickUp, and LarkSuite, or Lark for short. Every single one of those platforms is really popular within the project management space. However, in this guide, we're going to be breaking down and see exactly which one is going to be a right fit for you. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now our first contender is going to be ClickUp, and overall it's an all-around powerhouse. Think of ClickUp as a Swiss Army knife when it comes to project management. The goal of the platform is to centralize all the tools you need when it comes to project management under one roof, and that way you don't need to hop across different platforms where one thing does A and another thing does B. Overall, you can use ClickUp as a task manager, do your automations, and keep all of your docs in communication with your team. And what's nice about it is that for every single feature that it has, it's hyper customizable. That way, all the statuses and the fields and the automations that you guys have can be tailored towards your guys' team. Now the catch is that the flexibility does come at a cost. When I say cost, in this case, I don't mean in terms of money. The number one thing that I see a lot of people complaining about when it comes to ClickUp is going to be how overwhelming and complex it can really be. Even though it has pretty much every single feature you would ever want, some people just get lost in the weeds. And if you don't have a ClickUp admin of some sort, things can get messy real quick. And in addition to that, and it does depend on how many projects you guys have, but as you guys scale and add more things into the platform, loading times can get slower. Again, just wanted to confirm here that this does not apply across the board, but just wanted to be transparent with you and share what some users have been saying. That being said, if you are tech savvy and you need a lot of different automations and customizations that are built for your specific team, ClickUp is a way to go. Not only can it make those automations happen, but it can also be customized along the whole process. Funny enough, ClickUp is something that I've used internally when I worked at different companies, and I can tell you from a personal perspective is that it's great when it comes to larger teams. Now let's go ahead and make a pivot to our second contender, which is going to be Asana. Now, what's nice about Asana is that it doesn't try to do everything. While ClickUp was trying to do all the automations and customizations, Asana just keeps it simple. Instead of trying to do everything, Asana keeps things clean, simple, and organized. The interface is much more intuitive, so if you have a team that's not going to be real tech savvy, that might be a better play. So if you're looking for a project management system to do really simple things like creating projects, creating tasks, I'd say Asana is going to be the play. It doesn't take weeks to set it up, and you can almost use it out of the box. And honestly, for many businesses, that's just exactly what they need. But of course, that simplicity does come with its own trade-offs. The first and the most obvious one being is the fact that Asana just doesn't give you the same level of customization that ClickUp does. If your team has a lot of workflows, automations, and different custom fields, you may run into a wall. Now, I wanted to get something clear here. Those features still exist within Asana. However, they are going to be usually in the more higher price plans. So if you guys scale with Asana, it can get really expensive really quick. And that's why if you want to keep it simple and you don't need those automations and customizations, I would just go with Asana. It's super straightforward, doesn't have a high learning curve, and you can use it out of the box. However, on the other side of the coin, if you do have a very fancy tech setup and you need a lot of integrations, then LarkSuite may be the best option for you. Now, Lark, or also called LarkSuite, is definitely a new kid on the block compared to Asana and ClickUp. And that's why it's very different from those two giants. Instead of being just a project management tool, it's a full-on collaboration software. It bundles many different sorts of tools under one roof. And that includes a chat system, a video meeting platform, docs, or even just regular tasks. That way, if your team is doing things outside of the project management space, it can still do it inside of Lark. So, for small and medium teams who hate juggling 5 to 6 different apps, this might feel like a breath of fresh air. Now, even though there's a lot of different features available, I wanted to spotlight the one thing that Lark shines the most, which is going to be a collaboration between communication and work. Because let's be real, a lot of times teams use platforms like Slack for communication and Asana for project management. And even though those systems do talk to one another, things can get messy really quick. And that's why Lark created a platform where you can do both under one roof. It has a tool called Base, which allows you to build custom dashboards, and that way everything's going to be in front of you. And then from there, all of the communication that you're going to be doing on a specific project or task, you can do it within the platform. So that way, nothing slips through the cracks. However, even though it does a really good job at doing both things at once, it's not going to be as sharp when it comes to only project management. And when I say it's not going to be as sharp, I am comparing it to ClickUp and Asana. Even though the basic features are going to be there, if you do scale or you go down the rabbit hole, you're not going to accomplish what you're trying to do. So if you need something that's going to be really heavy duty, that's going to allow you to do all the reporting you want and enterprise level permissions, then the system may be lacking. But if your main goal is to find a platform that can unite both communication and project management, then I'd say it's worth checking out. If your projects are going to be complex and you will require a ton of customization, then I'd say ClickUp is going to be your best bet. But I have to warn you, if you do end up investing into ClickUp, be ready to have someone managing the platform to make sure that things don't go crazy. There is a high learning curve when it comes to the platform, so if you aren't really tech savvy, I wouldn't say it's the best option for you. And that's why, on the other hand, if you aren't tech savvy, I do highly recommend Asana. On the light plans, the basic features are going to be there, so I would just stick with those and don't worry about upgrading. And lastly, if you do want to have everything under one roof and you don't really care about really detailed project management features, then I'd say Lark is going to be the best option. It's going to help you guys to unite your team and to stop juggling 5 or 6 different applications. And the truth is, the best way to find out is just to pick one and run a short trial. Play around with it, see which one sticks, and then from there, you can actually see if the platform is actually adding to your guys' productivity or is just adding extra steps. Because at the end of the day, it's not about what platform has the longest feature list, it's about what platform is your team actually going to use. Because honestly, if your team doesn't use it, then what's the point? The goal of this is to save you time and not just create another headache. And listen, if you don't have time to figure this all out yourself, this is exactly where Paired comes in. Essentially, the way we work is that we specialize in helping businesses find the right tools and finding the right people to manage them. Whether you're looking to find someone full-time or you just want someone to help guide you through in transition, this is exactly where Paired can help you with without going through the whole trial and error. So if that's something of interest to you, feel free to check out the link down below in the description. And there you folks have it. If you did like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.